Desilawati, NPM 2441201. In this presentation, I will explain the topic title Measure of Data Centralization. This topic is an essential part of statistics, where we explore how data values tend to cluster around a central point. Understanding central measure help us interpret and summarize data effectively, especially in research and real-world decision making. So let's begin our discussion on the important tools used to identify the center of a dataset. The importance of centering measure. A large amount of data into one representative values for decision making in many fields such as economic, education, health, and business. In comparison, for example, comparing average income between regions, basic for future analysis. Centering measure provide the foundation for variability analysis, regression, and statistical inference. Type of centering measure. The three main centering measures that are often used are first, mean average. The average value of all data obtained by summing up all values and dividing by the number of data. Mean give an overall feature but can be separately affected by extreme values, outliers. Second, median, middle value. The value that is right in the middle after the data has been sorted. The median is useful when the data has an asymmetrical distribution or contains outliers. Third, mode, most frequent value. The value that appears most frequently in the data. The mode is often used for categorical data such as favorite color or most preferred brand. When to use H. Choosing the right measure of centering depends on the type and distribution of the data. First, use mean when the data is numeric, normally or symmetrically distributed and contain no extreme values. Second, use median when the data is not symmetrical or there are extreme values that can affect the average. Third, use mode when working with categorical data or want to know the most dominant values in the data. Comparison of mean, median, and mode. Measure advantage, disadvantage. Suitable for means represents all data affected by outliers, numeric data, normal distribution. Median not affected by outliers, does not consider all value, skewed data, outliers present. Mode, easy to understand, applies to categories not always present or can be more than one nominal or ordinal data. Illustration of use case. In education, the mean is used to calculate the average student grade. In economic, the median is more often used to describe income so that is not distorted by very high income groups. In marketing, the mode can be used to find out the product or brand that is most often chosen by consumer. The importance of choosing the right measure. Every measure of concentration has an ideal situation to be used. Inappropriate use can lead to misleading conclusion. For example, using an average on income data can give a false picture if there is one individual with a very high income. Conclusion: centering measure help us understand the general characteristic of complex data. Means, median, and model have different and complementary use. There is no absolute best measure. It all depends on the context of the data and the purpose of data analysis. Choosing the right measure will result in a more accurate and meaningful interpretation of the data. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.